Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Home Stretch. I'm Nina Soden, your local real estate expert, and I'm here with my amazing lending partner, Kat.
Hey there, I'm Kat with Victorian Finance, and today we're breaking down the entire anatomy of a real estate transaction from pre approval to closing.
We're keeping it simple, clear, and maybe even a little fun along the way. Whether you're a first time home buyer or just need a refresher, we've got you.
Let's jump in. The very first step is getting pre approved. That means I'll review your income, credit, and assets to give you a realistic home buying budget.
And trust me, that makes all the difference. When buyers are pre approved, sellers are more likely to take their offers seriously.
Plus, we can spot any issues early on, like credit hiccups or documentation needs, and solve them before you're under pressure.
It also helps me to narrow down your home search so we're only looking at homes you can truly afford. Once you're pre approved, we start the fun part, house hunting.
This is where I take a bit of a back seat and Nina becomes your superhero.
We'll tour homes, review neighborhoods, and I will help you compare not just prices, but also long term value, location, condition, including potential renovations and even resale potential.
Meanwhile, I'm available for updated pre approval letters anytime you're ready to make an offer.
Once we find you the one, it's offer time. I'll run comps and make sure we're making a strong but smart offer.
And this is where communication between us really
Mhm.
matters. Nina will fill me in on the offer details, price, closing date, and any seller concessions so I can tailor the loan accordingly.
If there's competition, we might write a quicker closing date or stronger terms.
Mhm.
CAT helps back that up with a solid pre approval and sometimes a lender call to the listing agent.
That's right. The personal touch goes a long way in helping your offer stand out. Once your offer is accepted, I start the official loan process. We order the appraisal, we lock in your rate, we submit your file to underwriting.
And I handle the inspections, getting everything over to the title company to start the title work. I also keep tabs on deadlines in the contract, like the inspection period and contingency dates.
This is definitely a team sport. Nina updates me on repairs or credit, and I keep her in the loop of underwriting or appraisal updates.
And we both keep you informed so you're never wondering what is going on.
The appraisal confirms that the home's value supports the loan amount. If it comes in low, we strategize, sometimes renegotiating the price or adjusting the loan.
And underwriting is when the lender's team reviews everything with a
Hmm.
fine tooth comb,
Yes.
credit, income, assets, and the property.
And trust me, they will find it. Once they're satisfied, you get a clear to close. That's the green light to schedule the closing.
This is when things get interesting. You're in the home stretch.
Closing usually happens at a title company or an attorney's office. You'll sign a stack of documents, your loan agreement, disclosures, and more.
I'll be there to walk you through the seller's side and make sure everything is in order.
Once funds are transferred, the home is officially yours.
Time to grab the keys and take that front porch selfie.
Be assured, we don't disappear after closing. I'm always here to help with future refinancing questions, rate reviews, or just to check in.
And I stay in touch for anything you need, whether it's home improvement referrals, market updates, or helping your friends and family who are ready to buy or sell.
The real estate process can feel very overwhelming, but when you have the right team, it becomes smooth, supportive, and even empowering.
From the first showing to handing over the keys, we are here at your side every step of the way.
If you're thinking of buying or know someone who is, reach out. Let's get you started the smart way.
Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you on your home ownership journey.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
We'll see you soon on the next episode of The Home Stretch.